So hi, I'm Rem. So this is our first episode of EDW Makers Blog. So for our first topic is about the difference of Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So marami kasi nagtatanong sa amin eh. Kaya yun yung naisip namin na bagong topic. And then sa mga susunod din natin na tutorial, ito rin naman yung mga gagamitin nating boards. Okay? So let's start. So kay Arduino muna tayo. Ito si Arduino. So Arduino is a microcontroller board that you can use for let's say basic to crazy robotics and simple automation projects or automation projects. So sample is let's say a line following and obstacle avoidance bot. So for example ito. So stay tuned guys, maglalabas kami ng mga demo video na umaandar to. Si cool guy na to. Okay? So stay tuned. So okay. Then simple automation like automated open and then close ng garage door. Ganun tipo. Pag may na-sense na paparating yung sasakyan. Okay. So paano ba siya gamitin sa Arduino? So you can download the Arduino IDE at Arduino CC website. Arduino.cc. Yeah. And then yung Arduino IDE na yon or yung naka-base siya sa C/C++ yung programming language na ginagamit natin dito. Okay, sa mga susunod natin yung tutorial, tuturuan ko rin kayo paano upload and then mag-program using Arduino IDE ng Arduino board ninyo. Okay, so ano nga ba yung may recommend ko for the first timer na gagamit ng Arduino or magpa-practice pa lang na board? So you can buy Arduino Uno. Itong board na to mismo. So it is easy to use and then it has 14 digital pins and then 6 analog input. So pwede mo na rin siyang gamitin for project na rin mismo and then for practice din at the same time. Kung gusto mo pag-aralan paano gamitin si Arduino microcontroller board. So ayun. And then ito naman si Raspberry Pi. Ayan. So si Raspberry Pi is a credit card size single board computer that you can plug into your TV monitor and use standard keyboard and mouse. So, computer na siya mismo. Ayan. So it has 4 USB ports and then LAN port isa. And then HDMI output, then ito yung sa power niya, then audio video actually. So okay, and then meron din siyang digital pins. Ayan, yun nga lang si RPi wala siyang analog. Alright, wala siyang analog pins. So syempre nagtatanong sa paano yan, paano kami makakapag-interface ng analog dyan, analog yung sensors namin. So you can use actually ADC na IC or analog to digital converter na IC which is MCP 3008, or you can use modules, ADC modules. So yun yung mga gagawin natin tutorials for RPi at the next videos. Okay, and then si RPi run siya in Linux operating system. Naka-base siya doon, yung operating system niya. So magkakaroon din tayong tutorial kung paano mag-burn sa SD card na ilalagay nyo kay Pi ng OS niya mismo, yung image OS niya. So ayun. So i-discuss din natin doon kung ano yung kailangan i-consider and then kung anong SD card yung best na gamitin for your Pi. So okay. And then si Pi, you can do crazy robotics project and then using sensors and then image processing using Pi camera, pwede. Or any compatible plug and play camera, pwede mo rin naman gamitin through USB port. So okay, you can use this for let's say software or hardware project based. So depende sa inyo kung ano requirement, kung software lang ba or hardware based. Let's say kiosk na hardware plus software, pwede rin naman. So okay, based in Python, but Raspberry can run actually multiple languages like ito example lang MySQL, PHP, Java, then C. Basta just install the right compilers for that languages. So it can run. So okay. So Arduino versus Raspberry Pi, palagi ko rin naririnig to sa community. Minsan sa international community nababasa ko nagtatalo. So Arduino is better than RPi, no. because it is easy to use, and then no, RPi is better than Arduino because it is a credit card size computer already. So baguhin natin yon. So depende kasi kung anong requirements nung sa project ninyo, kung anong gagawin yung project. Like for example, ito what to choose when doing a project. So simple example lang naman to. So if your device requirement is just for automated door lock system, opening it, closing it, and then locking the door and notification to the owner, use Arduino. Hindi lang naman because little bit cheaper siya than Raspberry Pi, pero Arduino can handle this task actually. So Arduino can handle execute task one at a time. So kaya niyang gawin to. For example, door open, di open muna, di close, next is close. So next task close, next task is locking the door, and then next task niya pag nakalock na yung door, i-monitor niya na lang kapag may nag-force open dun sa door or wala. So kapag may nag-force open, binuksan ng let's say sapilitan yung door, magno-notif naman kay user. So kaya ni Arduino. Okay. Kapag kayong project mo naman is, or device requirements mo naman is with image processing na, so and doing multitasking. So let's say reading sensors while controlling the actuators or motors, and needs a dedicated credit card size computer, dito mo na gagamitin si RPi kasi built siya for that purpose. So okay, so that's all. Thanks for listening. I hope may napulot kayo na counting knowledge for this first video of ADW Makers Vlog. See you guys next time, and then think it, make it, invent. So thank you.